There are tons of videos on YouTube about how to earn money with YouTube. However, not all videos are genuine or useful. Only a few of them truly provide value. That's why this video will be both genuine and useful. Now, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube by coming up with great content ideas and improving the video creation process. Anyone can create quality videos using this method. Let's get started. There are 6 steps to creating a quality video. Step 1. Choose a video topic. Step 2. Create video content. Step 3. Gather the necessary video materials. Step 4. Edit and create the video. Step 5. Create a thumbnail. Step 6. Upload the video to YouTube. Step 1. Choose a video topic first. Choose a topic that interests you the most. I recommend the top 10 games topic because it's one of the easiest ways to create a video. Many YouTubers focus on top 10 inches series and gain a lot of reach. Step 2. Create video content. Once you have a topic, you need to create quality content. Creating content used to be difficult, but now there's an easier way. ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality video content in seconds. Open Google Chrome, search for ChatGPT, and click here. Click here. Just sign up. It's free to use. Now, enter your video topic. Your content is ready. Copy and paste it into your notes, then add some additional details and make a few changes to personalize it. Now, your content is ready. Step 3. Gather the necessary video materials. Collecting video materials is one of the hardest parts because the necessary footage often needs to be recorded. But there's an easier way. Open YouTube and search for the video you need. Click here, then select Search Filters. Now, click on Creative Commons. You'll see many videos. These videos are copyright-free, meaning you can use them in your content. Step 4. Edit and create the video. Now that you have the content and video materials ready, it's time to edit. There are many editing apps and software available, but I recommend KineMaster. Open KineMaster, click Create New, and add your video materials. Next, you need to add a voice to your content. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can use text-to-speech apps. There are many available, but I recommend Natural Readers. Open Natural Readers. Paste your content and download the audio file. Now, open KineMaster, import the audio, and start editing. Keep practicing your editing skills. Day by day, you'll improve. If you want a full KineMaster editing tutorial, let me know in the comments. Step 5. Create a thumbnail. After editing your video, you need to create a thumbnail. There are many thumbnail editing apps, but I recommend Pixel Lab. Open Pixel Lab and design a thumbnail of your choice. Step 6. Upload the video to YouTube now. Open Google Chrome, search for YouTube Studio, and open it. Click here. Click Upload. Click here. Select your video. Enter a title. Next, fill out the description. Add your thumbnail and include some tags. Finally, click Publish. That's it. Your video has been successfully uploaded. Try to publish 3 videos per week and you'll reach YouTube monetization soon. After that, you'll start earning more. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.